Have you ever reached for a pain pill in the morning just to get moving? You're not alone. Many older adults wake up with stiff joints, sore backs, aching knees, or chronic pain from arthritis or nerve issues. And while medications can help, they often come with side effects, risks, and the worry of taking too many. What if you could support your body with natural pain relief? Things that are safe, gentle, and backed by science. Today, we're going to talk about 5 natural painkillers every senior should know about. These remedies won't replace all your medications, but they can reduce your dependence on pills, help ease inflammation, and give you more comfortable days. Let's explore each one together, slowly and clearly, so you can feel confident adding these to your daily life. 1. Turmeric, curcumin, the golden anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cooking, but its real power comes from a compound inside it, curcumin. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory. It works by blocking certain enzymes and molecules in the body that cause pain and swelling. How it helps seniors: eases joint pain from arthritis, reduces morning stiffness, may lower general inflammation in the body. Scientific support. Studies have shown that curcumin supplements can be as effective as ibuprofen for reducing arthritis pain without the stomach irritation. How to use it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric to soups, stews, or scrambled eggs. Make golden milk, warm milk with turmeric, black pepper, and a touch of honey. Take a supplement. Look for one with 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin and black pepper extract for better absorption. Senior precautions. If you're on blood thinners or diabetes medications, talk to your doctor first. Start slow to see how your stomach reacts. Story. Mary from Arizona began taking turmeric capsules daily. After 2 weeks, she noticed the swelling in her knees went down, and walking her dog felt easier again. 2. Ginger, nature's gentle pain. Blocker ginger is more than a kitchen spice. It contains compounds called gingerols that reduce pain and inflammation. Best for muscle soreness, osteoarthritis, digestive pain, or nausea. How it works. Ginger reduces the production of pain-causing chemicals in your body, similar to how non-steroidal drugs, NSAIDs, work, but more gently. Scientific support. One study found that ginger reduced knee pain in people with osteoarthritis after just 6 weeks. Ways to use ginger. Drink ginger tea, fresh ginger slices in hot water. Add grated ginger to meals or smoothies. Try ginger chews or capsules. Start with 500 milligrams per day. Senior tips. If you have acid reflux or take blood thinners, start with small doses. Use fresh ginger for milder effect. Capsules for stronger relief. Story. Frank, age 72, had chronic back tension. He started drinking ginger tea twice a day and found his back felt more relaxed within a week. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. The joint lubricators. Omega-3s are healthy fats found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. They help reduce inflammation and protect joints. Great for rheumatoid arthritis, joint stiffness, heart and brain health. How they help. Omega-3s lower inflammatory chemicals in the body and support joint fluidity, making movement smoother. Scientific support. Numerous studies show that omega-3 supplements reduce morning stiffness and joint pain in seniors with arthritis. How to add. Omega-3s. Eat fatty fish like salmon or sardines 2 to 3 times a week. Add ground flaxseed or chia seeds to oatmeal or yogurt. Take a fish oil supplement, 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily of EPA and DHA combined. Senior reminders. Always check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners. Store fish oil in the fridge to prevent odor or spoilage. Story. Linda, age 68, added flax seeds to her breakfast and started taking fish oil capsules. After a month, she noticed her hands didn't ache in the mornings. 4. Capsaicin, the warming cream from chili peppers. Capsaicin is the compound that gives chili peppers their heat. When applied to the skin, it reduces pain signals in the nerves. Best for nerve pain, joint pain, shingles pain. How it works. Capsaicin blocks a chemical called substance P, which transmits pain signals to the brain. Over time, less of this chemical means less pain. Scientific support. Topical capsaicin creams have been shown to reduce joint and nerve pain, especially with consistent use. How to use it? Apply a small amount of capsaicin cream to sore joints or areas of nerve pain. Use 2 to 3 times daily. Wash hands thoroughly after application. Senior cautions: avoid touching your eyes after applying. Some people experience a warm or burning sensation. At first, test a small area before wider use. Story: Joe, a retired teacher with nerve pain in his legs, started using capsaicin cream twice a day. After a week, the tingling faded and walking felt more comfortable. 5. Epsom salt, magnesium, soaks, relaxing relief for muscles and joints. Epsom salt is made of magnesium sulfate. When dissolved in warm water, it can soothe sore muscles and joints. Best for muscle cramps, tension or tightness, fibromyalgia pain. How it helps. Magnesium helps muscles relax and supports nerve function. Warm water increases circulation and calm. Scientific support. While research is mixed, many seniors report real relief from regular Epsom salt baths or foot soaks. How to use it. Add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. For foot pain, use 1/2 cup in a basin of warm water for a foot soak. Tips for seniors. Make sure the water isn't too hot. Use non-slip mats or have help getting in and out of the tub. Story: Martha, age 76, began soaking her feet in Epsom salt water before bed. Her restless legs and foot pain improved, and she slept more soundly. Bonus: light movement and breathing. Natural pain. Control from within. Sometimes the best relief comes not from what you take, but what you do. 1. Gentle movement. Walking, stretching, or light yoga increases circulation, keeps joints mobile and muscles strong, releases natural painkillers like endorphins. Try a 10-minute walk after breakfast, seated stretches if mobility is limited. Chair yoga videos designed for seniors. 2. Deep breathing reduces stress, which worsens pain, calms the nervous system, increases oxygen flow to tissues. Try this. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Even a few minutes a day can reduce tension and help your body handle discomfort better. Final thoughts. Natural relief is within reach. Pain may be a part of aging, but suffering doesn't have to be. Nature offers powerful tools: turmeric, ginger, omega-3s, capsaicin, and magnesium, all gentle, safe, and proven to help. You don't have to give up medications completely, but you may find yourself reaching for them less often. Start with one remedy. Try a ginger tea, or a turmeric capsule, or an Epsom salt soak tonight. Notice how your body responds. Give it time. These natural tools work best with consistency. And remember, movement and breathing are free pain relievers you can use anytime, anywhere. You deserve comfort, you deserve strength, and you deserve to live each day with more ease. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more supportive health videos made just for seniors. In the comments, let us know. Have you tried any of these natural remedies? What works best for you? We're here to help you live well naturally.